apo.
Oo, di ba?
Na matagal mo ding winish dati.
Oo. Pero iba pag may apo ka, Kenny.
Ganun ba?
Oo. Feeling ko nga, maaaring ang salitang mahirap is even an understatement because you have to remember in their last game, they only shot 25%. They lost that game. And with the way things have been now, parang ganun rin yung magiging performance nila. And so, they have to be very efficient. Temperature that we have now, everything's very humid. The players really very early in this game, perspiring a lot. Alvin pass all out in the open. Good shove, good finish. Tingin ko rin as itong magandang habol na to, pero napunta kay Alvin Pasaol. No, let him get out of the way. At tinapos yun ni Alvin Pasaol again.
His brother was recently named the most valuable player sa UAP, si Chandre.
Oh, yeah.
Rebound controlled by Cannon off that Pasaol miss.
Good skip.
Takiwag is feeling it.
Oh, no.
Checks it up and puts it back in. Balik.
For Marikina. And then andali rin nila makaroon ng assist sa loob.
Sa ilalim. Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Screen.
Poga.
There you go.
Monte catch and shoot three.
Oo, kasi malayo rin naman yung biyahe natin.
Marlon Monte,
Oh, yeah.
about the same spot, same result.
Of that good swing. And you always love on a ball swing to first look at the rim, see if you have a shot.
For Marikina. Bounce pass of Yamzon. To Villar, he lost it.
Luis free on the other side.
It's Toto, fake pass, just closer, getting in, puts the basket.
Might be one of the more underrated guards. Combination yan sa Marikina back when they were playing together.
Season 6, no?
Oo. Yan yung time na nandun sila. Doon na sila nakita-kita nila Kyle. Tsaka nila Eloy.
Ganda nung pinakita ni Johnny nun, ha? Last game nila. No mark.
Yeah.
Shoots in. Runner goes.
Yan yung sinasabi ko. Okay, imagine, magkasabay sa loob ng court, Marlon Monte, Domark Matellano, Paulo Castro.
Of the second period. Monte off the dribble. Knifes his way in. Monte. Bola na sundot at naagaw ni Jetro Escoto. Pitch ahead. Alabanza will lay it.
Dahil pagod na siya. And after that ball got stolen from him, it was leak out for Marikina.
Fast break of the game. Sports Plus, the official sport.
Still went in. Malaking factor din nung mataas yung dome nung ng gym mo because AC Soberano tried to attempt the same pero tumama din sa taas. Yeah. So that helped, yung taas na ceiling.
Still enough time for Marikina. Casajeros to beat the buzzer. First half comes to an end.